Welcome back to my channel and thanks for clicking on today's video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jess and welcome and thanks for clicking on today's video. If you haven't already, pause this video and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell which informs you guys of future uploads so you don't miss anything. Launched the Shayla x Colourpop collection. I have the entire collection right here to play with today on camera for the first time. I haven't touched or swatched anything in this entire collection, even though I wanted to touch it so badly. I was like holding back on it. I got this probably like a week ago and I'm now getting the chance to sit down and film it. It was between this video or the BoxyCharm video, and I was like, I'll film this today and then I'll film the BoxyCharm on Saturday. So hopefully I can get this video up tonight. Let's go ahead and dig into this entire collection from Shayla x Colourpop. So everything came nice and bubbled wrap, which I appreciate. I guess they didn't want anything to break. I'm not that big of a fan of Shayla. Like, I'm not a, oh my god, I love her videos, I watch her all the time. I'm not that kind of viewer, but I do like her. I do watch her here and there on Snap because she does a lot of like workout videos, and if you know me, I'm into that shit. So I watch her mostly on Snapchat, but all the pictures and videos of everyone posting of the collection, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it only because it looks freaking bomb. And I decided to get the entire collection, which total about $59, which is pretty good for what you're getting. In the collection, you're getting 2 loose highlighters in the shade Pose and Boomin', and we got 3, I believe these are Luxe lipsticks. Yes, Luxe lipsticks, which I haven't tried yet from Colourpop. This will be the first time I'm trying their Luxe lipsticks. I have never tried their Luxe lipsticks, but I've done a ton of swatching videos on their liquid lipsticks, which I will leave down below. I will leave down below for you guys to check out if you haven't already. So these are the 3 lipsticks. We have these shades, Ooh, and Quickie and Come On Sis are the 3 shades that we got. I'm actually excited about one of them, but I'm not sure which one is the name of it. But it's that nude shade. Looks so pretty on everyone. This is what the packaging looks like. A cute bullet. I believe this, no, this is the, I think this is the nudie shade in this collection is the one I'm more excited about. So I hope that it, you know, it pleases my expectations. In the collection we got a lip gloss which looks like this, and this is in the shade Neat Freak, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's so freaking gorgeous. If you guys watch me, you know I'm not a lip gloss person, but hopefully this is not one of those sticky ass lipsticks, lip glosses. Then the star of the show, which is the Perception palette, which is what caught my eye, and I was like, I need to have it. And let me just say, for Colourpop, the packaging is very nice. Like, is this really Colourpop? This is like nice and it has a nice weight to it. I hate when palettes feel like, you know, light and cheapy, but this has a nice weight to it. It feels more of a luxury brand than Colourpop, you know what I mean? Open the palette and this is what the palette looks like. There are 16 shades in this palette, which is wow for the price. There's a mixture of nudes and colors and just a nice little mixture going on here. Hopefully these shadows work well, because the last collection from Colourpop I got, which was the My Little Pony collection, some of the shadows in a palette I did not like. They were horrible. So hopefully they have improved their shadows a little bit since the My Little Pony collection. The fact that they have the names of the colors listed at the back of the palette as well as in the palette, it's thank you Shayla and Colourpop for doing that, because I hate when palettes have the names just at the back and not in the front. And I think it's Colourpop's birthday, or was their birthday or something, so I got an extra lippy in there. So I'm stoked about this. This is actually a matte, ultra matte lip in the shade Scrooge, and I was like, what? I got a free lippy. Of course, I'll never ever complain about a free lippy, especially this color. These are my colors right here. So I'm excited to try that. So let's go ahead and do a quick eye look. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's why I wore white, to just in case if I go with color, the white won't clash with it. So let's go into the eye look. Go ahead and prime the lids using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. I will leave below everything that I use on the face that I didn't show, including the eyes as well, so like my foundation and stuff. I will leave that down below for you guys. You can go ahead and check in the description box to see what I used on face. Go in with the first shade, which is called Culture, which is this shade right here as our transition color, and that is pigmented. I'm going to say this color is pulling more peachy on the eye than it's looking in the palette. In the palette it's looking like a neutral brown, but it's kind of pulling more like a peach brown on the eyes. So that's our first color down. I'm going to go with a clean blending brush and blend the edges off very lightly. I'm going with a little bit of the orange shade in Thick. So that's this one right here. We'll blend that over the first shade. I'm going to go in with the shade Played Out, which is this dark brown right here. Going back in with my blending brush with no additional product on it, and just blend this shade into the other two shades I would just place down. The shade Tick and Revenge, mix them, just went back and forth and then tap the excess off, and I just used that to blend this dark color in a little bit. I don't want it to look too dark and I don't want it to look too orange, so just why I just added a little bit of that darkness in there. But it is very pigmented, but I'm just like fading it out a little bit. I just want a little fade in there, you know. Right, let's cut this crease real quick. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade Revenge, which is the shade right here. I'm gonna just go over the edges of, I'm just gonna go over the edge of this cut crease just to deepen it up a little bit more so that you can actually see it. I know people normally go in with a brown, but I'm trying not to make this look too dark. So I'm just placing my color. I'm gonna go in with my blending brush and blend that out. And with a glitter shade. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Diva. We're going to shade Diva. So this is this bronzy color right here. And by the way, I love the brush. Not the brush. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah. I love the mirror on this palette. It's really freaking good. God damn, this color is popping. Ooh, this is pigmented as hell. guys are seeing this, I know you are seeing this. This color is crazy pigmented. I'm Shayla. What you guys been doing up in that lab? This color is really good. This color is freaking stunning, and this is freaking dry. Imagine if I wetted how intense it'll probably get. Put the shade TF right in the center. I just want to see how that will look. Ah! Oh, Shayla, 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 what is going on with this palette? In a little bit of Played Out, which is this shade right here, with my blending brush, just so it doesn't go on too pigmented, and go over the edges right here. Ooh, don't get too dark.
Yep.
This color is extremely pigmented. I definitely want to do more looks with this palette. I already have this look in mind. I'm going with the shade Unbothered, which is this white shade right here. Alright, let's see how pigmented this will be, and pop this on the brows. Or under the brows. Gonna go in with the shade Culture, which is our first transition color. And you want to connect it to the outer part of the top as well. Yes, pink or purple, whatever the shade is.
Yeah.
With our blending brush, take a little bit of thick and just pop this on the edge. With Telescopic from L'Oreal. Let me just say first impressions on the Shayla times Colourpop palette. So far, everything that I've used, I freaking love it. Everything blends out nicely. There's no patching. Everything is very, very pigmented, but blends really good. I used all the shades from the bottom row. This purple one, this brown one, and these two glitter-ish shade, which I used on the lid. So far, oh no, I used 9 shades. I used Unbothered as well, which is the white one at the top here for the brow bone. Here we have Pose, which is the more bronzy-ish looking copper color, and we have Boomin' right here, which is more of a light yellow gold. They're both very boomin', if you ask me, not glittery looking. So I think I kind of want to use both. So let me use a little bit of both. Intensify this a little bit more, and I love that it's not like chunky and it's not showing off like glitter. It's definitely a nice smooth highlighter. So that is Pose right there. No highlighter. Hello highlighter. And a little bit on the tip right there. Ugh. take a little bit, and by a little bit I mean a lot, of Boomin and pop it right there. Oh yeah. Ooh, that is intense. Ooh, that is intense. Oh, so far Shayla collection has been killing it. Oof. I'm just going overboard with this highlighter today. Our shade here, which is this nudish peachish color, is called Ooh. And then we have the middle shade, which is the shade I was looking forward to because it looks so good on everyone, is the shade Quickie, and the last shade is called Come On Sis. That's it. That's the end of this look. I am so surprised with how everything worked. Let me just say that, especially this lip gloss. I didn't expect it to like the lip gloss as much as I do. The formula is freaking a bomb on this lip gloss. It's like so light, you can barely feel it on the lips. It's not sticky at all, and I just love this lip combo. This lipstick Quickie, oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. I love how everything came out, down to the highlighters, to the shadows, which blended so nicely. They are so pigmented. I am very much surprised. Colourpop, let me just say that, I'm very surprised. I thought there would be at least one thing in the collection that I wouldn't like, but I love everything. If the collection is still available, I would definitely recommend you guys picking it up. Don't sleep on this. The hype is real, you guys. It's real as shit. If you can't afford the entire collection, and if there's one thing I would say to pick up from the collection, it definitely would be the palette, because it's so nice and pigmented. The shadows are buttery, there's minimal fallout, and they blend really, really nice. But if you can get more than the palette, I would say grab the lip gloss or one of the lipsticks. The lipsticks are definitely surprised me of how creamy and pigmented they are. They glided on so smoothly and so nicely, and I'm wearing it on my lips. You're like, really? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to hit that subscribe button on your way out before you go, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, which informs you of future uploads. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave your comments and feedback down below in the comment section, and I will insert a quick lip swatch of all three of the lipsticks and the lip gloss towards the end of this video. So don't exit out so quickly. Just keep to the end, and until my next video, I will catch you guys later. Bye guys.
Don't you know, don't you know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know, what did I know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know, what did I know, you a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love.